Hello everyone, my name is Anna and I'm a student who's been teaching on pre-apply for 3 years now. I've had the privilege to meet people from all over the world and also from all age ranges. Now, I teach communication, vocabulary and grammar. I also do more, but those are generally the 3 pillars. So it doesn't really matter what your goal is, whether it is to prepare for an exam or to improve your German business, or who knows, maybe you are just learning German for fun. It doesn't really matter, and I've probably done it before and would like to help you out as well. So I use videos so that we can work on your listening skills. I also use text, which you then read out loud so that I can help you with your pronunciation. And I also just like to do a lot of conversation. So to me, it doesn't really matter how many mistakes you make. That's completely irrelevant. The goal is for you to feel safe enough to just speak so that we will get to fluency a lot quicker. So I like to use a Google document. So in this one, I will just document everything we do so that you have a good overview and can prepare before and after a lesson. Same goes for me. And yeah, I also give homework. So I will also correct it, but of course it's optional. If you don't have the time, that's also completely fine. And yes, that's generally it. I hope this information helped you. If you are interested in more, I also have a YouTube channel where I teach about German tips and tricks, and it's generally German content. So I hope to see you very soon. I also speak French and Spanish, so we can also use that as a teaching language to, converse in German. Okay, I hope to meet you very soon and to help you guide you through your German journey. Bye!